kangaroo, kangaroo.
The kangaroo can jump very high. The kangaroo can jump very high.
Crocodile, crocodile.
Crocodile lives in the river. Crocodile lives in the river.
Hippopotamus, hippopotamus.
The hippopotamus is big and heavy. The hippopotamus is big and heavy.
Whale, whale.
The blue whale is the largest animal. The blue whale is the largest animal.
Octopus, octopus.
An octopus has 8 legs. An octopus has 8 legs.
Seal, seal.
The seal is playing in the water. The seal is playing in the water.
Lizard, lizard.
I saw a green lizard in the garden. I saw a green lizard in the garden.
Eagle, eagle.
The eagle is flying over the mountain. The eagle is flying over the mountain.
Owl, owl.
The owl can see in the dark. The owl can see in the dark.
Swan, swan.
The swan is swimming on the lake. The swan is swimming on the lake.
Crab, crab.
The crab is walking on the beach. The crab is walking on the beach.
Ant, ant.
The ants are carrying food to their home. The ants are carrying food to their home.